Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. Today I am hosting a tablescape styling using sunflowers open playlist where any content creator can participate. Now I'm going to be styling my kitchen nook dining table. I'm going to be using items from Dollar Tree as well as Dollar General. So that means this is a budget friendly tablescape. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, if there's any other participants that's watching and you are not sure how to get yours on the playlist, I can add it for you. Make sure that you tag the channel All Things Home on a Budget in your description box. I will find it and I will add you to the playlist. So I appreciate you if you chose to participate. And if you are interested in participating in the future and you're not too sure how it works, well, I will have a detailed video posting real soon because I have a lot of things lined up for the rest of the year for open playlist. All this does is allow us to connect and collab together and build a strong community of content creators here on YouTube. Okay, so let's get into this tablescape. Again, Dollar Tree and Dollar General items. These beautiful placemats here, Dollar General, $3 each. Now, if you see them in your stores now, you're gonna get them buy one, get one free. So that's a steal now to pick them up because this was from the spring collection. And these beautiful clear chargers with the trimmed gold beaded type of situation around the edges. These are Dollar Tree. So you know these are $150 now. It's still a decent price. And then I'm going to use some dinnerware. My plates are from Dollar Tree, as well as my side or salad plates are from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use some kitchen towels to serve as my dinner napkins. They are from Dollar General. And then we're going to add a beautiful centerpiece of a floor arrangement that I created off camera, and then I'm going to accent it with some of my very own crafts that I make on my crafting channel called The Crafty Doll. And if you're interested in seeing how I created them, comment link in the description box, in your comments, and I will definitely be glad to add the link to them. And they are trash to treasure, most of them. Okay, then I'm going to add in the center. And we're going to also use some glassware from Dollar General for $1 each. And we're going to, our cutlery or flatware, that's from the Dollar General as well in gold. So keep on watching as this comes together. Those of you that's oldies but goodies, y'all know I love creating my own napkin rings, and the napkin rings are my creation as well. So I appreciate you all for watching today. Thumbs the video up at the end if you like anything, and we can chat it up about it, whatever it is that you do like, in the comment section below. So keep on watching and enjoy the styling. All right, as we finish up with this beautiful sunflower themed kitchen nook dining table styling, I absolutely love it. And I would love to hear from you. Again, if this is your type of content, consider joining the family. Subscribe, hit the bell as well. Let's take a up close and personal look at this. I think it's gorgeous, getting you ready for some fall inspiration as well. And yeah, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now these DIYs in the centerpiece, OMG, they are giving off that farmhouse rustic vibe that I love in my kitchen area. And I think that they are super duper cute. These are trash to treasures, y'all. My crafting sister here on YouTube, when I am crafting on my craft channel called The Crafty Doll, and I craft alongside with the Creole crafter, and her name is Donna. We have been crafting together for almost 4 years now, and we did some Trash to Treasure pumpkin DIYs. And so this is a canned good here. This is a plastic container of some egg drop soup from the Chinese restaurant, and then a Goya season packet is another one, and a box of salt is another one. And I also did a old frying pan in that particular video, so I'm going to link it down below if you would like, so you can see. There's so many different things that you can do when it comes to crafting to make your decor come together and be unique and one of a kind. And you don't have to worry about seeing your items that you display in your home in everyone else's home as well when we shop in these stores. But now, don't get me wrong, I do love shopping in the stores, but I love creating my very own decor as well. So let me know what you think down below about this beautiful sunflower dining table scape.